Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to review a new product called the PhotoPayz. What this product PhotoPayz is all about is how you can get paid by sharing post a photo by sharing on different social media platform and like Facebook Twitter Pinterest Instagram So it's also a very simple way you can also to easily to get paid. If you are interested in this product, I've also put together some exclusive bonus in order to help you to make more money. Other than this very simple strategy, how you can also to share your photo on different social media platforms and make more money. And also I put together some other multiple stream of income you let you to make more money online because you are watching video you are also want to make more money online. So just one reminder and also I also put together something special for you. Please stick with me till the end of the video. Okay, and just one reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn notification. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. Okay, and my let's jump into what my exclusive bonus if you pick up the PhotoPayz. Okay, let you to see that PhotoPayz. I also have a nice exclusive bonus if you just pick up the front end. Bonus 0 to 100 in 24 hours. How you can make money in 24 hours. Bonus 2 easy passive pay data. How you can build a blog and make passive income. Bonus 3 this training course will teach you how a 60 years old mom has made her affiliate commission in 24 hours. Bonus 4 give you free membership. You can give away and then you can get paid in 2 ways. If they pay any solo package, if they upgrade, you get paid. Bonus 5 free affiliate program. Create your account, watch the video, and promote their software. You will get paid month after month. Bonus 6 free training. How you can set up your affiliate marketing business in 2 hours. Bonus 7 free Shopify dropshipping. Because more people during this 2 year pandemic, more people will go online to shopping. How you can get them, and this is also a very trendy and trainer for you can also go to the dropshipping. If you are new, no problem. I also give you the Shopify the dropshipping course. Bonus 8 I will also give you internet marketing course. This course is created by the 7-figure internet marketer. He has over 10 years experience about affiliate marketing and email marketing. All you have to do is create your account, get his internet marketing course, and the best part is that you can also go to the membership only the training portal and also to register for his weekly live training. During his weekly webinar, he will teach you he will giving you so much free resources how you can make money online and how you can start your online business. All you have to do is create your account, get his internet marketing course, and go to membership only the training portal, register for his weekly live training. All of them is completely free. Bonus 9 I also will give you another course is the affiliate marketing course. And also they also create your account, and this also if you even you go a newbie and how you can make money of affiliate marketing courses also will teach you and step by step the training. And they are also promoting their partner program. I don't know what is the benefit, but all you have to do is benefit when you become the partner. You will have the multiple stream of income. You get over the 15 multiple stream of income. There's also 10, not only the 10, 30, 20, 40, over 15 multiple stream of income. All you have to do is create your account, get this internet affiliate marketing course, and then go to the inside the membership, watch the webinar, enjoy the partner program, and you will have the benefit of over the 15 multiple stream of income. But if you don't pick up any upsell and downsell, and you will also get this audio bonus. There's also an exclusive bonus for 18 training course and 12 video training report plug-in and all of them is 18 training course. If you are just I think almost all of them is come from warrior perspective. If you are just if you are famous to the warriors, all of the front end think almost all of the front end product that you have the almost $30 just for front end. Some of them may be the $70. And you have to get this much $18 18 training cost, and you can see that how much money that you have saved. And other than that, you can also have the 12 video training, have the step by step teach you everything about make money online, traffic, something like email marketing, and everything you will know. It's also I also going to give you this also just for this and bonus. The rate is over that is over that. $300, $400, and maybe $500, and you can see just for the one training cost of $30, 18 training cost, how much you can save your money. And all my exclusive bonus will be directed to you inside the Warriors before the countdown timer hits 0. Simply check my description below. The first thing they will come to this bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, when you practice any button, you will go through it in the sales page. Okay, let me jump into the sales page. This also allows you to see the sales page. And how you can make money online with this formula just for free kick secret system. Make me and PhotoPayz is also about how you can get paid by sharing your photo on different social media platforms, something like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Snapchat, and Instagram. It's also you can and exit up. When you exit the pop-up, there's a pop-up $2 get discount. You can also have the $70. If you exit the pop-up, you can claim your discount. They also come with a one-time payment, $70, and $7.95 just for one-time payment. Free get NS photo profits get lost and upgrade to the fast tag server and VIP support. This is also up to you. But there's also the review $2 discount. Then you can also pay $5.95 just for one-time payment. This is optional. Up to you. But anyway, I also will also like to go through inside the members area. Also, before I jump into the members area, I just want to remind that please stay with me till the end of the video, because I also want to put together something special for you. Please stay with me and watch till the end of the video. And also just for a reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. Okay, let me jump into the members area. Okay, inside the members area of PhotoPayz, the dashboard of the dashboard, you can also see how many site photo managers and also the total niche and how many niche and also to that. You can first of all watch the tutorial video, and then you can see that after you create your photo, your site, you can see your site and in the dashboard. You can I also create a home business for the website. You can also to see the website. You can edit. Let me to see the website. The website you can also to see that there's a home business. You can also to search the category. They also come with a different image pre-made. All of them is completed with the image. And what you can do that, first of all, create your photo website. Give the name. You can also to give any name. For example, for domain, and you can choose your domain. They also come with a different niche. If you come to the make money online, and this also you can also make money online. You can also to grab your affiliate link from JD Warrior and even Kickbanner. But to Kickbanner is other than the make money order, you can also to sign up for Kickbanner, because in the side of the Kickbanner you can come with a different affiliate program other than make money order. Because the JD and make money order, you can also to file the offer. I also will be related to you why you can also to sign up on 3 different platforms. Because but JB and Warrior is also the company make money order, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and also the email marketing. But other than that, at least with JB and Warrior, you can pick banner. You can also to tap into the different categories. Also other than health and fitness and waste health and fitness, beauty, view and estimate, cryptocurrency. Is one of the hot topics that you can also to find on JB and Warrior. And other than that, pet spec, sport, dating, relationship, travel, technology, finance, lifestyle, gambling, food, all of them you can also to use. You can also to find this on Kickbanner. For example, and also in other than that, you can also to tag your description. You can also to see that this is also your description. Other you can also to choose your file. If you want to and select your local, you can also to select your file and select the local for your logo. And you can see this also on my file. my logo lah, and then you can also to create lah. After you create lah, you can also to see all of the photo 嘅 site啦。For example, I also create this home business. You can also to see and you can also to click here. You can delete or you can edit from this website. And how you can get paid is also the most important thing. You can get paid in 4 different ways. The last part is Google Ads. It is also if you pick up the fund, if you just for fun, and you can also access for this Google Ad. But if you pick up the upsell number 1, you can also unlock this Google Ad. So I just want you to see what you will get just for the fun end. Post photo. You can also to see register for any of the platform below, and you can log in and post photo for passive and also have and 5 different platform. You can also do all step 1 create your account. Click here to create your account, then log in to your account and post photo and you can also to post photo on this 5 different platform and anybody to view or buy your photo you can also to get paid. Banner ad and you can see that this also your site then you can also to place your banner and first of all you can also to create your site. For example, I also the home business and you can also to see and different location header main index or folder I select header and you can also to see the different template. They also made 6 template. Just let you to see template 1, template 2, template 3, template 4, template 5, template 6. All of the ranges are click on the template or how you can make money to have the place your URL. Then you can also have the form JB sooner or Royal is also other than and I saw review that to you if you are not make money on affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency or email marketing and then you can also other than this purpose you can also to find the support on JB sooner and Royal but other than that you can also to find and beauty, health and fitness, beauty, dating. You can also to sign up for ClickBanner. After you get your affiliate link placed in here and save, then you can also to get your save your banner on your site and your banner will be here or will be on your different position. And anybody to go to this website and click the banner and buy this, you will get affiliate commission from JB Soon, Warrior or ClickBanner. You can also do other than that, after you can also to manage your banner. If you also to create your banner footer, you can also footer index main and index. Other than that, you can also do that for different position and also for different banner and different banner and different affiliate commission. Lastly, as a post on social media. You will also open in a new tab. All you have to do is go to your members area, and you can see it's also www.photopayz.com, and then you can also go to your create website. Go to and you can also see that. And then you can see the home business.com the home business and then click here share and then you can also see integrate with your Facebook Twitter WhatsApp email LinkedIn Telegram Messenger Webinar Gmail Pocket Tumblr. This also a different social media but you can also share on different social media but if they go to your PhotoPayz.com and click any level photo and website you will also get paid. Just let you to see for example if they pick up this any photo if they also view they also if you pick up this photo you can also to and you will also get paid if you pick up all the you can but you will also have all demo will be read to you how you can get paid if they pick up any picture I also included the demo video on my bonus page and I will also to show you that it's also in-depth how you can exactly to get paid by pasting your photo. It's also the step-by-step, but I don't want to spend too much time, and just you can also to watch the very in-depth demo video on my bonus page. It will also be related to how you can get paid in different ways. I also just want to let you have an overview. And also they also come with traffic balance decided, but you can also watch the tutorial video that will teach you how you can get this and support this. If you and it also come with different upgrade, you can upgrade inside the members area. So let me to jump into my bonus page. Let you to see that I also included this 2 demo video. When you scroll down to the middle of the page, when you scroll down to the middle of the page, the photo overload. This is also the overview the video is also about 2 minutes and 44 seconds. But I also included our demo. Watch the demo video of the PhotoPayz is also in-depth demo. It's also 50 minutes and 49 seconds. It's also have a very in-depth demo and show you how you can set up everything and you can get paid. Okay, lastly, I also go through the price and upsell as well. Just for the button, you have $7. I also you also see that unlimited $47, $37. If you want to pick up the Google Ads, I pick up the unlimited because and you can also create one to website. You can also create unlimited website. Then you can make more money. Done for you and you can and done for you automation. And if you want to everything is done for you, automated, you can also select $27. Done for you, I think this also done for you the package is not very cheap, $197. You can also to take a look to see what this is also about. And if you just pick up the button, you can also to buy it inside the members area. 1 hour profit and infinity traffic. Also, I highly recommend you should take a look because you must just $70. Traffic is the most important. If you have traffic, if you cannot make and if you cannot have enough the traffic, nobody to see your website, you can make more money. So I highly recommend you should take a look. The automation that's $27 is not very cheap, not very expensive. Infinite traffic $67. They also have 5 franchise and multi income. It's also the make multiple stream income $27. But it's also you can also to go through in my opinion, I highly recommend you to pick up the upsellable Pro Unlimited $37 automation. If you want to everything is automated for you, $27 is not very expensive. Traffic is more important. Infinite traffic $67 one-time payment. More traffic you can also make more money. You can also watch the demo video on my bonus page. You have an in-depth to see how the secret. If you pick up the front end, you will get my 9 exclusive bonus. But if you pick up the upsell and downsell, you will also get my OTO bonus. This is also the value is $397. And all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer. Hit 0. Simply check my description below. The first link will come to this bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, when you practice in the blue button, and you will go through the sales page. After you go through the sales page, and you have after you exit have the pop up, you have $70, $2 for $70, you will get it. You have a one-time payment $7 and 95 just for one-time payment. Is also up to you. And also you can after you purchase, you will have all my exclusive bonus inside the members inside the Warrior purchase detail. You can also delete to blue button. After you press blue button, you will instantly access all my exclusive bonus. But if you pick up any upsell and downsell, you will also get my OTO bonus. And you will just let you to see that the bonus OTO bonus will be value is $397. Thanks for taking time to check out my PhotoPayz review and bonus. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications if you enjoy my video. Don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. And thanks for taking time to watch till the end of the video because I also prepared 10 bonus you can 10 freebie you can instantly access. All you have to do is check my description to get on the 10 freebie. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.